Hey everyone, what's up? Coming up on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, I'm going to show you something really cool that's going to enhance all of your social media, your photos, your videos. It's going to make everything look totally professional, cinematic, and top quality. Ready? Here we go. This is the hohem iSteady MT2 Kit. The hohem iSteady MT2 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer for camera. It's a 3-axis gimbal for mirrorless pocket-style cameras, action cameras, smartphones. It has an AI tracker with fill light, a camera stabilizer, and it works great for smaller-sized DSLR cameras from Canon, Nikon, and Sony. The newest hohem iSteady MT2 Kit Camera Gimbal is equipped with an AI tracker that will revolutionize your filming experience. This AI tracker will intelligently follow your movements and keeps you perfectly centered in the frame. With simple gestures, you can easily control tracking modes and customize composition. Whether you're a content creator or vlogger, this camera gimbal is your ultimate companion for capturing professional-grade footage. It also features a brand new quick install system, the Multi 4.0. With this system, you simply remove the camera with the L bracket, rotate it 90 degrees, and attach it to the 3-axis gimbal to switch between landscape and portrait. It takes 3 seconds. Only hohem is this fast. Quick release plate strictly adheres to the ARCA standard, guaranteeing compatibility and versatility. There are multiple expansion ports on the outside of the stabilizer, so you can add other equipment as you see fit and shoot creatively. There's also the new iSteady 7.0 anti-shake technology. Say goodbye to shaky, blurry shots and embrace the next level of image stabilization. With its upgraded iSteady 7.0 anti-shake algorithm, you can now enjoy a remarkable 30% increase in stability, resulting in unbelievably smooth and seamless footage. The iSteady MT2 Gimbal Stabilizer for camera only weighs 1.44 pounds, making it a great choice for shooting on the go without taking up space in your backpack or burdening your joints with long handheld shots. It works for a multitude of devices, whether you have a mirrorless, pocket camera, action camera, or smartphone. The all-in-one gimbal stabilizer has got you covered. This gimbal has a total load capacity of up to 2.64 pounds. It supports equipment with a maximum size of 5.7 inches in width, 3.96 inches in height, and a combined camera thickness plus lens length of 6.94 inches. The gimbal stabilizer can reach 17 hours of ultra-long battery life to meet the needs of a full day out shooting. Thanks to reverse charging capabilities, it could also become the answer to how you charge your phone. The gimbal's flexibility extends to vertical shooting. For cameras equipped with a flip screen, such as the Sony ZV-E10, taking selfies with a vertical screen is now effortless. And there you have it. If you want to find out more, please click on that link in the description below. We'd like to thank Hohem for sponsoring this video and sending the gimbal so we could check out all of its cool features and show it to all of you out there. Once again, link in the description below. Also, if you could, just a little reminder, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Well, I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind, and we'll see you next time. Bye.